Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have a pack of development icons for visually representing events by Slodo. An icon pack of typical objects from Argentina by Martin Asterson. 2 packs of music by Soundscape. An MV plugin by SoulRender that allows us to obtain the current local time, date, and name of day that we can then use as conditions. An MV plugin by Mikan Hako that allows us to play sounds from an event source. Another MV plugin by Mikan Hako that adds 2 more control characters to text. One that hides and displays the message arrow, and another that allows us to add specific wait frames between text. Next we have an MV&MZ tool by Aerobiba. This tool allows us to move around items in the database to a different ID, and it also allows us to quickly rename large amounts of switches and variables. And lastly, a Tileset of a tired Gantry by Gothic Void. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.